No computer. No problem. With the CNC Offline Controller, you can control your CNC machine directly. Easy setup, fast operation, and complete freedom. Perfect for woodworking, engraving, and precision projects. The CNC Offline Controller makes your workflow faster, easier, and completely independent. Number 5. HLTNC SF2100C CNC 2-Axis Offline Industrial Controller. Extensive input-output ports. With 13 input and 12 output ports, the SF2100C offers extensive connectivity for your CNC plasma cutting needs. Wireless remote capability. Incorporate the RF06A wireless remote for convenient, hands-free operation of the Starfire CNC system. Durable construction. Built to withstand high temperatures, the Starfire controller ensures 105 degrees Celsius, than or equal to, reliability for industrial use. High-speed performance. Achieve 24m/min-max speed with the SF2100C, enhancing productivity in your plasma cutting tasks. 2-axis control. Précis. Number 4. DDCS V3.1 CNC Offline Independent Controller 3-axis. 16-channel optocoupler isolated digital input interface. 3 optocouplers isolated digital input and output. The new version enhances the algorithm, supports flexible circular interpolation, and corrects the deficiencies in the circular interpolation commands in the old version. 1-channel 0-10V spindle speed control analog output interface can be modified into PWM output. 3 to 4 axis pulse direction uses differential output. The maximum interpolation pulse output frequency is 500 kHz. ARM9 main control chip, FPGA core algorithm chip. 5 inches TFT screen, resolution, 480 by 272, 17 operation keys. The main control equipment is 24 VDC power input. The current capacity requirement is not less than 0.5 A. The I/O port power input is also 24 VDC, and the current capacity requirement is not less than 0.5 A. All I/O ports do not need to be configured with an external power supply, such as. Number 3. Offline E22 CNC Shearing Digital System Set Servo Motor Controller. E22 CNC system for bending machine has a very high cost performance, and has rich software functions, simple and smooth hardware design, simple and easy operation, and can realize multi-step programming, automatic positioning, automatic step change, etc. Various control functions optimize the electrical design of the machine tool, improve the operability and electrical reliability of the machine tool, and have built-in hardware self-diagnosis functions, thereby improving the maintainability of the equipment. 320 by 240 dot matrix, TFT high-definition display. Automatic operation of multi-program and multi-step programming. Realize front feeding or back gauge control. Number 2. DDCS version 4.1 Standalone Motion Controller Offline Controller. DDCS version 4.1 is a 3/4 axis offline motion controller upgraded on the basis of DDCS version 3.1, version 2.1 and version 1.1. DDCS version 4.1 continued. Inheriting the consistent, simple and efficient features of the DDCS series, and according to the shortcomings of DDCS version 3.1, the algorithm has been improved, and the programming instruction rotation has been increased. Commands, etc., improve the simulation function, etc., support I/O port configuration, etc., and improve the product function of the DDCS CNC controller as a whole, making it more functional, more stable and powerful, and more suitable for customer needs. DDCS version 4.1 CNC system adopts ARM plus FPGA design structure. ARM completes the man-machine interface and code analysis part, and FPGA completes the bottom. Number 1. HLTNC DDCS version 3.1 Offline 3/4 axis 500 kHz CNC Standalone Motion Controller. The DDCS V3.1 controller has a high frequency rate of 500 kHz, which means it can process commands quickly and accurately. It is a standalone controller, which means it can operate independently of a computer and can be used to control the CNC machine offline. A 16 opto-isolated digital inputs, 3 opto-isolated digital outputs. An upgrade algorithm supports soft interpolation, fixed arc interpolation bug of the old version. An analog spindle control 0-10V spindle control, can be modified as PWM output. 3 to 4 axis motor control. Differential pulse and direction output signal, max 500 kHz per axis. A ARM9 main control chip, FPGA core algorithm chip. 5 inches TFT screen, resolution ratio, 480x272, 17 operation keys. A 24 VDC power input, minimum current is 0.5 A. A USB flash disk support for G-code file input, no size limitation of the G-code file.